Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine and hope you are in a great spirit of studying. So, let us begin with our final year Materia Medica drug revision series. So, today's remedy will be benzoic acid or benzoicum acidum. We will see gout of benzoic acid and some guiding symptoms of benzoic acid. So, first of all, we should know what is gout. Gout, it is a form of inflammatory arthritis or it is a form of inflammatory disease which is resulting from deposition of uric acid crystal in tissues and joints of the body. So, let us go with benzoic acid. This remedy belongs to mineral kingdom and it has peculiar uric acid diathesis. And the most marked feature of this remedy is strong smelling urine. It is an antipsychotic medicine with gouty or uric acid diathesis. Then we will see some mental guiding symptoms of benzoic acid. So, the patient is prone to dwell on unpleasant things in the past. Means the patient is dependent on his past and now he is facing problem in present with related to that past. Then patient is can be in a depression. Then he omit some words in writing or he forget some words while writing. Then the child of benzoic acid, the child is cross, want to be held in arms. The child is very obstinate and he always want to hold him in our arms. Then the patient is fearful and is always in a hurry. He has anxiety while sitting. Then delusion and shuddering. Shuddering means shaking of the body. Now we will see some physical guiding symptoms. So the most marked feature of benzoic acid is the strong smelling urine. So odor and color of urine are also important. Then offensive discharges. The all discharges are offensive. Then renal insufficiency and pain suddenly changes locality. Means the whatever pain he has, the location always changes. Then gouty diathesis as we saw. Then it can be used in cases of asthma or asthmatic patient. Then it is most marked antipsychotic medicine and it has marked action on metabolism. Whatever the body's metabolism is there, it has action on that as gout or some rheumatic diseases or autoimmune diseases already have hampered our body's metabolism, so this remedy is going to act on metabolism of our body. So gout, as we saw, gout is an inflammatory disease which results from deposition of uric acid crystal in joints of the body. So how is the gout of benzoic acid? So first is joints crack on motion, means whatever joints are affected, this benzoic acid is going to act on them, so joints crack on motion. Then tearing with stitches, like tearing pain is present like stitches. Then gouty painful nodes are also present. Then swelling of the wrist, swelling in knees with pain. Then tearing pain in great toe. Then pain in tendo achilles. Tendo achilles is a calcaneal tendon or calcaneus, we know that. Then rheumatic gout, means it is associated with rheumatism. Gout is associated with rheumatism or autoimmune diseases. Then cold hands, means the patient hands are cold, feet are also cold, back is also cold, and especially in a fever there is a coldness. Then cold sweat in fever. So these are about these symptoms are about gout of benzoic acid. How is the gout? Then we will see the aggravation of benzoic acid. So aggravation from swallowing, walking in open air, and uncovering. And overall amelioration of benzoic acid patient is profuse urination. As we know, as we saw, the peculiar feature of benzoic acid is a strong smelling urine. So general amelioration is by profuse urination. So this was all about gout and guiding symptoms of benzoic acid. Thank you guys.